Hi, Deadlocks here again with another one of the Edoc Dab / Lockmania Pass Around Locks. This time it's a combination lock that Edoc Dab picked up at Lidl. Just put that other padlock on there to pull on to tension the shackle because it feels nicer and easier than actually pulling on the shackle.
You put another padlock attached to it?
Yes.
Mm.
Got a nice prick out of that 9 on the third wheel, so I assumed that that was where I needed to be.
Was it?
Well, you'll see. And everything went all loose around about the 0 on wheel 2, so I decided to move on to the next wheel, which didn't really find anywhere except for the number 9. So I left it where it was, went back to number 2 again.
But you opened it.
Well, yeah. Kept catching the other wheels and stuff on that.
Yeah, problem with those. Only little.
Yep, as soon as that got onto the 2, popped open because the number 1 reel was already number 9 anyway. That's an open. And if you want to know how to be next in line for the Edoc Dab / Lockmania Pass Around Locks, there will be a thing in the corner for you to click on to find out how. The video to find out how is in the end card and in the description. So that is all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Hang on. We did it.
I think you got a bit too excited.